All right, time for a full day of eating video because it's been a while. So here we've got the lovely garage with the lovely garage fridge that's full of Keto Chow. So today I'm going to get raspberry cheesecake and orange cream for my breakfast and my lunch. And then I'm going to take it to the office. I'll eat it there in a couple hours. Okay, bye. All right. So today's day 80. I didn't know that when I decided to do this earlier, but I'm doing, well, people do these, a full day of eating videos all the time on the internet. I'm doing a full day of eating Keto Chow. So this is orange cream. Orange cream. Keep on not looking at the camera. And yeah, that's what I'm doing all day. I've got 3 of these. Now, orange cream is interesting. Orange cream was one of the very first flavors I ever had with just avocado oil, but I did it wrong. I was in San Francisco. I was trying to go back, I was going around to different classes, and I tried putting the oil with the powder in a hydro flask at the beginning of the day, and then tried adding water to it. No, that does not work. It will never reconstitute, and you end up with like crunchy powder with water. Oh, and on top of it, the lid of my hydro flask, my kids had like left Keto Chow in it for too long. And so it smelled like death. And it took me so long to drink orange cream Keto Chow again. And now it's fine, but it kind of ruined it for me. I actually bought a different lid for that hydro flask because it was so bad. But anyway, so yeah. Full day of eating Keto Chow. All right, I'm doing like a full day of eating, which is pretty boring because right now I'm going to have snickerdoodle. I hadn't had snickerdoodle for a while, up until about a week ago, and it's really good. So it's like cinnamony. Kind of tastes like a cinnamon roll. It's really good. It's not as good, I think, as when I use heavy cream, because right now I'm using avocado oil with MCT. It's still really good. So anyway, yeah, like I said, really boring. Man, I could sit here and drink the whole thing and let you watch, but that'd be really, really boring. Oh! Gonna go out to dinner tonight. So I'll be getting the Diet Coke with the lemon and lime. And everyone else will be eating meat. So that'll be pretty funny. I wonder if I should eat beforehand. I think I'm gonna have to eat after, because we're gonna go at like 4:30. So anyway, yeah, see you at dinner. Alright, so continuing my full day of eating, right now I'm having a Coke Zero with lemon and lime. Everybody else is eating wings. Eat wings. And everybody else has prime rib coming.
Sad. He's gonna smell of it.
Yeah. Hey, the wings smell amazing. And that's super chunky blue cheese.
They
You probably
taste
really
amazing.
like that.
I really like the chunky.
Nope, still don't like blue cheese.
Still don't like blue cheese. The orange sauce is really quite good though.
It's spicy.
Yeah.
It's like a
Anyway,
hot sauce.
at least it was last time I tried it, which was on January 1st.
Oh, that was the last meal you had.
81 days ago, the last meal that I had was here. Anyway, see you for dinner. All right, more of my all-day eating. Here we have me not eating Rebel ice cream.
Butter pecans, mint chip. We have to buy enough that if the kids accidentally eat some, there'll still be some left for me.
Right. Miriam says the strawberry isn't good at all. Anyway, that's something else I won't be eating.
Strawberry ones?
I got strawberry.
And we're gonna go get some Lily's.
I still think the peanut butter's my favorite.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeehaw. Bye bye. Flipping the camera around.
Just 'cause
All right,
so many
to
extra
complete
ingredients.
my full day of eating, we're playing Bonanza. And I've got chocolate mint keto chow that I heated up.
I've got stink beans. They're right there.
That's good to know, Steve. Anyway, yep, chocolate mint. It's nice and
Miriam's
warm.
got stink beans, and so does Holly.
I've got chili beans and coffee beans and wax beans, but it's a fun game.
Now we're gonna have to link it to our Amazon stuff.
You think so?
Yeah, because it's a fun game. Bonanza. So when you think about it, you'll sing that song. Dun, 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 bonanza.
Yeah, probably. Anyway, so that's full day of eating. Miriam, what are you doing? You got your
I got my mag drops and my electrolyte drops and the blue water.
nice. Okay. See y'all later.